friends, I'm back and I'm going to show you. This is hilarious. I'm using my steamer for a double boiler. And see, that's just steaming. I turned it up and got it going and then turned it down on low, and I'm just going to let it steam. Now it's a little bit warm. I'm going to set, see, there's my steamer basket. I'm going to set my bowl right in that. Handy dandy. Okay, and in this, I am going to put, maybe, I'm going to try my measuring cup. In this bowl, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Get out there. There we go. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And 2 cups of chocolate chips. Make sure you get no water anywhere in that, otherwise your chocolate will seize. Now you can fix seized chocolate by all means. You just mix some cream in it and keep working it until it smooths out again, but you don't want to go through that if you don't have to. Anyway, so we're just going to, and see how that's melting already. We're just going to mix these, because I want that coconut oil in there. Okay, we're just going to let those melt, okay, over that steam. And it won't take long. So that's how you start it out. And then you just mix them until they, you know, once they're melted. And when we get to that point, I will be back, because I'm going to work on this and get this melted. And then I'll be back. Okay, friends, see, this is melted nice and smooth. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let me move this up here a little bit. Adjust my camera. We've got our ice cube trays nice and clean and dry. We don't want anything in there. I'm not going to leave my chocolate on there. I'm just afraid of that. Anyway, so now that that's all melted, let me put that messy spoon somewhere. We are going to take a little bit of this and put in each ice cube tray. Okay? And bring it up the sides. I don't know if you can see that. Bring it up the sides. You know, you can even use, I got a little brush here too. Okay? You can even use the brush and get it all brushed up the sides. Okay? Perfect. So we're going to do that in each tray, or each cube section. Put a little bit in there and just run it up the sides. This is the easiest way to make a little bit of candy, I'm telling you. So I'm going to get these done. I'll do a couple more, and it's messy. A little bit messy, but it is fun. And this is fun to do with little kids too. Except, you know, they get their fingers in everything. And people get so mad at me when my little granddaughters stick their fingers in something. And I'm sorry, you know, I can't help it. What do you do? They're just little. You teach them, but they still do it. They try. They're just kids. All right, I'm going to get this going. I'm going to get these finished. And then I'll show you how they look when they're done before I put them in the freezer. So, I will be back when they're done. Friends, these are done. See how they look? I just brushed them up the sides. Now I'm going to go put these in my freezer for about 8 to 10 minutes for that to be almost set up. And then I'll be back and we'll fill them and finish them. Hey friends, I am back and I'm going to show you how we're just going to fill these. Now I got all kinds of goodies to put in them. I've got some caramel, I've got peanut butter, I've got walnuts, and I've got some marshmallows. And I'm not going to grind my walnuts up. I'm just going to stick a couple of them in there, like so. Just like so. I'm going to do about 6 of them like that. Well, maybe I'll do a couple more. I'll do 8 of them. Okay. And then I'm going to take, and I'm going to put marshmallows in some of them for my grandkids. About 3 little marshmallows in each one. They love that. Okay. All right. Now I got a spoon here, and I'm going to do a little caramel in some of these. I want to do more than that, but okay. Nice little spoonful of caramel. And this is just a caramel topping. It'll be sealed inside that chocolate, so when they bite into it, oh, it's going to be yummy. I'm going to do 4 of those. They're going to love this. These make wonderful gifts. You package these up in a cute little container, and they're beautiful. You can take the outside, once you take them out of these trays, you can put them on a another little tray and drizzle the top with a little white chocolate and, you know, decorate them. Okay, I got that one. So let me set this one aside for a second. Now I'm going to dip a little peanut butter in here, but I'm not going to make it a sweet, like a Reese's peanut butter cup filling. I'm just going to do a little bit of peanut butter. Just put it down in there, just like so. Kind of spread it down in there a little bit. That will be yummy. I love that. One more. Put it down in there. Okay. I'll get that last little bit in there. Okay. And I'm going to do a few more of these nuts, because a couple more nuts, because my family loves the chocolate covered nuts. I'm going to break that one in 2. There. That's all there is to it. Now we are going to fill these. So I'm going to need a nice sizable spoon. I'm going to show you how I fill these. I'm just going to fill them the rest of the way up with chocolate. Just like that. And then I'll smooth them out, add more if I need it. I think you can see that pretty good. Okay, that's all there is to it. Just fill them up, and then you're going to put them back in the freezer and just leave them sit till they harden. Till they set completely. And then when that's all done, when they're all set up, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how it turns out. You'll love this, okay? So let me get all these filled up, and then I'll be back and show you what I do. So I'll be right back. Friends, I've got them all filled. Now, I'm just going to tap it just to show you. And this is when you can do a little more if you need to. And the ones that are a little low, just give them a good tap. See that? All these are going to go in the freezer, and I don't know how long they're going to be there, but I'm going to let them sit there till they're completely set. And then I'll be back and we'll see how they come out. Okay friends, I pulled these out of the freezer and we're going to see just how these come out of here. Some of them already are coming out. Oh, look at the caramel in that one. It's running out. I guess we'll have to try that one. Look at how nice these turned out. They're adorable. Perfect. Those would make a really nice gift. Let's see if we can get the rest of them out of here. Okay. Oh, there's two more. There we go. They're coming out. They're beautiful. Oh, that one's got a... Well, that one Mr. Wayne will have to eat. These are coming out pretty good, though. Yeah. I think those are going to do pretty good. Oh, that's the caramel, and that one's stuck in there. All right, well, there they are. There's a couple of them that I'm going to set aside that Mr. Wayne is going to get to eat. But look at how nice these are. Let's see these ones. If we can get, they should come right out. Just look at them come out. Those are beautiful. There's two more. Two more. Two more. That was good marshmallows. There we go. Not that hard, huh? That's pretty cool looking. And then we'll just, I shouldn't be handling it. I need gloves. I've already pulled them out of there, but you know what? Because I'm going to take the rough edges off them. I don't want to be fingering them all up and then give them away. I've got to put my glove on right. My hands are clean, but still. I don't know. I'm real funny about that. I'm real fussy about that. I have to make sure everything's good and clean. Now see, I'll just take them little edges off like that. Look at how nice that looks. That makes a beautiful little candy. Nice size too. They'll be gorgeous in a little package. I'm going to put them in a fancy little tin that I bought. These are neat. I like these. Alright friends, well there you have it. I'm going to work on getting these cleaned up and put them in a cute little tin. And then I'll show you how nice they look. But they turned out pretty good. That's a pretty good way to do it. That's pretty easy too. And yeah, obviously we're going to get a couple of them to test out, you know, because there's a couple of them that they broke apart or opened up on me. So like that. Oh, that one should be okay. These are nice. All right, friends, there you are. I'm gonna wash them. Good Lord. There I am. I'm getting tired again. I am going to clean up the edges of them and get them packaged up in a cute little container. I'll take a picture of it. I'll post it. And thanks for watching.